Ready for the dictation.
Ready, start. Therefore, when we are dealing with this question of language, all languages are important. In my opinion, stop. I will not say that Hindi is not important or the regional languages stop. In fact, we should provide opportunities for the promotion and cultivation of all languages in our country. Stop stanza. In this connection, I would say that while there should be a common language, it will take a long time before Hindi becomes a language of use in many parts of India. Stop. The argument has been given again and again that while Hindi gives an advantage to the Hindi speaking areas, those parts of the country which have absolutely nothing in common with this language will take a long time before they accept the change. Stop. That point is very vital to the translations, to the imposition of these books of Hindi on non-Hindi speaking people. Stop. Therefore, all that I can say is that you must go about cautiously because Hindi is going to be a common language for the country, and in translating books into Hindi and in giving such books to the people, we must be very careful that the terms that are commonly accepted by all should be adopted. Stop. In this connection, I would request that while this work is going on, we should not try to translate literally commonly accepted terms from one language to another. Stop. Whether they have come from the English language or from Sanskrit should be checked. Stop. Commonly accepted terms that have come into the use of not only the 5 million English educated people of this country but even into the vocabulary of the masses in rural areas should not be literally translated simply because these terms are in English or in Sanskrit. Stop. I am saying this because you have got the zeal for the regional languages or Hindi that they must be converted even if the translation takes a whole line instead of a small little word. Stop. That should not be done. Stop. The words, so long as they have come into common parlance even among the masses, like tram, bus, court, college, parliament, etc., need not be translated into a regional language or into Hindi. Stop. In the same way, I would say with regard to humanities that I have taught political science and economics and other sociological subjects, and there too the terms are difficult to be translated, and where lecturers who are well qualified in regional languages have attempted this translation, the students could not follow, nor could two lectures follow the terms that were being used. Stop. I am not saying that until eternity we should have the continuation of any particular language, namely English. Stop.